Hello everyone. I welcome you all to ATM Creations. After a long time, I'm making a video on creating a dot mandala on a CD. Let's get started with dotting. So figuring out the center and drawing circles and grids on a CD is always challenging. So this is what I do. Um, I have a small board in which I created a dot and then make sure the dot is in the center of the hole, as center as possible. And after keeping a CD like this, I'm going to take a scale and draw a line. Right? Now after this, the process is normally as we do for any dot mandala. So I'm going to keep this protractor. So the intersection point here should be exactly on the dot. Now you can mark the angles. 0 and 180 falls here. So I'm going to have 4 divisions here. So I'll mark it as 45, 90 and 135. The same way I'm going to mark angles in this part of the circle. You cannot use a 360-degree protractor here because that's going to be bigger than the CD. I'll show you that also. So here's 45, here's 90, and here is 135. After drawing the lines connecting the dots, this is how I'm going to create circles. I'll start with dotting in white. I'll keep some dots in parrot green. I'll keep 2 side swipes in green. I'll keep some red dots now. I'll keep 2 side swipes in red now. I'll keep some white dots now. I'll keep some green dots now. Now I'll keep some red dots. Now some white dots. I'll work the dots in green now. I'll work the dots in white now. I'll work the dots in red now. Now I'll keep straight swipes in white. Now I'll keep two side swipes in green.